Hey, what's up tube? Willington here and welcome to the real sound test. In the test lab today we have the Pill Plus. The speaker is 6 feet away from the sound recorder and we will be playing 50% volume, 75% and lastly 100% volume. And that should show you how good it holds up to its sound quality at all sorts of volumes. You might want to put your headphones on for this.
You have to admit, I already do. Let's just break it down to you and me uptown, dancing all around till the disco ball pops. But I have to be me, and everyone can see your anger is misplaced, and I'm gonna tell you, don't hate me 'cause I get attention. Don't turn me into what I'm not.
The speaker sounds pretty good at 50% volume, but as the volume goes up, the highs overshadow everything. At 100%, they are pretty much unbearable to me. So if you listen to low volume music, this might be a good speaker for you as it has a good amount of bass for its size. But if you are mostly listening to high volumes, the speaker gets pretty loud, but I would look somewhere else just because of those highs. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video if you like it. Thanks for watching this one and I will see you in the next one. Peace.